Welcome to English Speaking 360. Today we are giving you 10 great English expressions that mean rich and poor. Let's get started. The first expression is I'm broke. Now, does it mean I'm rich or does it mean I'm poor? Make your choice. I'm broke is I'm poor. Now, here's the explanation, and you must know this expression because everybody knows it. I have no money. I'm financially broken. So this is like the real expression, but nobody says it. Instead, we use the short form. We just say, I'm broke. Sophie is rolling in dough. She's rich or she's poor. Sophie is rich. She's rolling in dough. She has a lot of money. Dough is a slang word that means money. So she has so much money that she can literally lie down and roll in the money. She's rolling in dough. Eric is loaded. He's rich or he's poor. Eric is rich. He's loaded. He has lots of money. To load something means to fill something. So if something is loaded, it's filled up. For example, the truck is loaded, so the truck is full. But if a person is loaded, we know it means the person is full of money. Pop stars are filthy rich. They are rich or they are poor. The answer is they are rich. Now, they have a lot of money. Filthy is a bad word. Oh, it's a very good word, but it means that it's dirty, it's offensive, it's disgusting. So filthy rich is disgustingly rich, terribly rich, so rich that I'm going to be sick. I'm living from paycheck to paycheck. I'm rich or I'm poor? The answer is I'm poor. Now, I'm living from paycheck to paycheck. Your paycheck is your salary or is your payday. It's the day when your boss gives you your money for the week or for 2 weeks or for 1 month. So if you say I'm living from paycheck to paycheck, it means I'm waiting for my next paycheck to have money again because I didn't save any money. So I'm living from payday to payday because I have no savings. I can barely make ends meet. I'm rich or I'm poor? The answer is I'm poor. Now, this one is very similar to living from paycheck to paycheck. Imagine that I get paid on the 9th. You can see it there. But the end of my pay period, this one here, barely reaches the beginning of my new pay period. So one end just about touches the new payday. So that's why it means I have no savings. My friend is a bazillionaire. She's rich or she's poor? The answer is she's rich. Now, a bazillionaire is a strange word. Here's the explanation. You've probably heard millionaire before. A millionaire is someone who has more than $1 million. Now, a bazillion is a huge number, but that number is unspecified. So we don't know how much, just many, many, many zeros. A bazillion. Now, a bazillionaire is someone who has a lot of money, but we don't know how much, just many, many, many zeros. I don't have a dime to my name. I'm rich or I'm poor? I'm poor. Now here we go. I don't have a dime to my name is I have no money. A dime is a 10 cents coin. So The expression to my name means to own something. So altogether, it means I don't even own a 10-cent coin. I'm very, very poor. Money is tight, or money is tight this week, money is tight this month. I'm rich or I'm poor. It means I'm poor. Money is tight. Money is tight, I have no money. You've seen tight jeans before. There is no extra space, right? Now, money is tight means there is no extra money. You don't have any money to go out for drinks with friends, for example. She made a killing with her company. She's rich or she's poor. She's rich. Now, she made a lot of money. Make a killing, it means to have financial success. So she made a killing on the stock market, for example. She is making a killing reselling on Amazon. So this one, you can change the verb and you can adapt it to your meaning. Now, how about you? Are you rich or are you poor? Try to answer with one of the new expressions and write it in the comments below. Here are more fun videos for you guys to improve your English. See you next time.